In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a nice motion blur in Photoshop. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. Start by right-clicking your background image and choosing Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, Blur Gallery and select Path Blur. Drag the bottom point down and move the top point up to stretch the blur. Use the middle point to add a curve to the path. This gives the blur some direction and flow. Now create one more path line and curve it the same way as we did with the previous one. Once you are happy with how everything looks, go ahead and hit OK. Now click the Layer Mask button and with your brush tool active, set the foreground color to black and make sure the flow is around 10%. Start painting over the areas where you want the original image to show up. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!